Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to demonstrate the step-by-step procedure of cervical cerclage removal, an important intervention in late pregnancy to allow safe vaginal delivery. The preferred position of patient for cerclage removal is that of dorsal lithotomy position. So after taking consent, appropriate preparation and positioning of the patient, cervix is visualized using Cervical speculum. After that, locate the suture first. Identify the two knots, including secure knot and air knot. Hold the upper end of thread with sponge holding forceps or large artery forceps. Take a sterile scissor. By using this sterile scissor, cut one side of the suture. An important point to note is that we are not cutting the knot, but one side of the suture. After that, hold one end of the suture to pull the stitch and apply gentle counter traction with the help of assistant on the cervix with another forceps to remove the cerclage completely. So that is the final step which you can see here. Now, this slide shows the steps of cervical cerclage removal. What is cerclage removal? It is the removal of cervical stitch placed during pregnancy, usually done at 36 to 37 weeks of gestation or earlier if needed. So the first step is that of preparation of the patient. Explain the whole procedure to the patient, its pros and cons, and take an informed consent. Positioning of the patient is important, which is lithotomy position, as I told you before. Take care of all aseptic measures. Next step is that of the visualization of the cervix. So insert the Cervical speculum and identify the cerclage knot. Next step is that of the cutting of the stitch. Hold the knot. Cut one side of the suture. And it's important to avoid any sort of injury during the whole procedure. Next comes the removal of the cerclage. So gently remove the suture, check for bleeding, and after appropriate repositioning and dressing of the patient, shift her to the recovery room to provide the post-procedure care. And that post-procedure care include observation for the bleeding, monitoring of fetal well-being, and also check for the vital signs of the patient. An important question is, when is cervical cerclage removed? It is removed when patient begins to labor, means she starts contractions or vaginal bleeding. Secondly, when the membranes rupture, when there is evidence of uterine infection, and if patient reaches more than 36 weeks of gestation. What is cervical cerclage? Cervical cerclage, also known as cervical stitch, is a treatment for cervical weakness when the cervix starts to shorten or open too early during a pregnancy, causing either a late miscarriage or preterm birth. Now, who should be offered serial sonographic surveillance with a view to ultrasound indicated cerclage? Women with a history of spontaneous second trimester loss or preterm birth who have not undergone a history indicated cerclage may be offered serial sonographic surveillance, as those who experience cervical shortening, means less than 25 mm, may benefit from ultrasound indicated cerclage. The rescue cerclage or emergency cerclage is in fact the insertion of cerclage as a salvage measure in case of premature cervical dilatation with exposed fetal membranes in the vagina. This may be discovered by ultrasound examination of cervix or as a result of speculum or physical examination performed for the symptoms such as vaginal discharge, bleeding, or sensation of pressure. It can be considered up to 27 plus 6 weeks of gestation. In summary, cervical cerclage removal is safe and straightforward procedure when performed at appropriate time, ensuring a smooth transition towards the delivery. Subscribe on Obs and Gynae, and if you have any query in your mind, write in the comment section, and follow the Facebook page of On Obs and Gynae.